For the given data set, the data values are listed in ascending order where m, n and k are constants. For this data set, the mean is 35, median is 22 and the range is 60. What is the value of k? Here we have the values of the given data set and these values are listed in ascending order. That is, the values are listed over here from smallest to greatest. The smallest one is m, the greatest one is k. Here we have three measures for the given data set, mean, median and range. Let me consider the third measure, that is the range. So we have a range of the given data set, that is 60. So the formula to get a range of a data set is largest value negative smallest value. On the right side we can write this 60 as it is. Okay, here the largest value of the data set is k. Let's plug in k for this L, and the smallest value is m. Let's plug in m for S. On the right side we have 60. Okay, now let me consider the second measure of the data set, that is the median. Median is equal to 22. Okay, here we have the values in ascending order. Then the middle value is the median of the data set. So n is the middle value because we have three values on the left side, three values on the right side. So this n represents the median. We can plug in this n for median over here. Then we have n equals to 22. Okay, now let's consider the third measure, that is the mean. Mean equals to 35. To get a mean of the given data set, we have to add all the 7 values over here and divide by the number of values, that is 7. Then we have m positive, 18 positive, 22 positive, n. Actually, for this n, already we got the value, that is 22. Let's plug in 22 for n, positive 30, positive 63, positive k. I added all the 7 values of the given data set. Now it has to be divided by the number of values given, that is 7. So this represents the mean. On the right side, we can take this 35 as it is. Okay, now let's multiply both sides of the equation by 7. This 7 will cancel out. Now let's write this k at first, then we can write m. Now what we can do is that we can add the numbers over here. So 18 positive 22 40, 62, 92, 95, we get 155 equals to, when I multiply 35 and 7, I am getting 245. Let me subtract 155 from both sides of this equation. This positive value, negative value will cancel out. I am getting k positive m on the left side. On the right side, I am getting 90. Okay, now let's consider the first equation over here. In this equation, we have two unknown constants k and m. Now, in this equation also, we have the same unknown constants k and m. We have to solve for k in these two equations. Let's add these two equations over here. That is k negative m equals to 60. The second one is k positive m equals to 90. Here negative m positive m will cancel out. When I combine these two stuff, I am getting 2k. On the right side, I am getting 150. Let's divide both sides of the equation by 2. This 2 will cancel out. I am getting k on the left side. On the right side, 150 by 2 is 75. Here I got the value of k, that is 75. We find 75 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.